The top 12 foods for detox cleansing and kidney health. Your body will be cleaned and detoxified with the help of these 12 organic meals. The kidneys carry out a variety of vital bodily processes, such as regulating blood pressure and maintaining bone health. Your kidneys are in charge of eliminating waste from the body, and they are situated beneath the rib cage. Your kidneys can self-cleanse if you eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and drink enough water. Future kidney issues can be avoided with a healthy diet and frequent exercise. 12 foods that will naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. The following 12 natural foods can assist your kidneys and body detox. 2. Cabbage. 3. Red bell pepper. 3.2. Broccoli and cauliflower. Leafy greens. Number 4. 5. Garlic. 6. Asparagus. 7. Apples. 8. Berries. Olive oil. 9. 10. Melons. 11. Ginger. 12. Turmeric. Why is kidney health important? The kidneys are two tiny, bean-shaped organs that are each around 12 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. They are made up of two layers. The cortex is the outer layer, and the medulla is the inner layer. There are typically two kidneys each person. They are located on either side of the spine near the back of the abdomen. Multiple vital bodily processes are carried out by the kidneys. The kidneys produce urine, remove waste and extra water from the circulation, and help maintain blood pressure by balancing electrolytes. Additionally, the kidneys regulate pH, filter proteins, and eliminate poisons that have been packaged for liver clearance. The production of various hormones is another function of the kidneys. The kidneys primarily release vitamin D and erythropoietin as hormones. Calcium absorption, the preservation of strong bones, and immune system control all depend on vitamin D. Red blood cell synthesis is sped up by erythropoietin to keep the body's oxygen levels stable. Your kidneys are always working. Over 200 quarts of blood are processed by the kidneys each day, along with over 2 quarts of waste material and water. About half a cup of blood is filtered through healthy kidneys every minute to remove waste, extra water, and generate urine. Your kidneys then send urine to your bladder. Your ureters, kidneys, and bladder are all components of the urinary system. Without the crucial function of the kidney's waste elimination system, toxins would accumulate in the blood and lymph fluid. The body might become contaminated as a result, which could cause tissue damage. The blood arteries and heart can be put under a great deal of stress by the toxins, too much water, and unbalanced pH, blood pressure, and electrolytes. Taking care of your kidneys. More than 37 million adult Americans have renal disease, and the majority are completely unaware of it. There are various kidney diseases, but chronic kidney disease is the most prevalent. This is a chronic condition that doesn't get better with time. Usually, excessive blood pressure is the culprit. Urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and glomerulonephritis, an inflammation of the kidneys glomeruli, are some other kidney issues. Many people do not show signs of renal disease until the disease has progressed to the point where the kidneys are failing or there is a significant amount of protein in the urine. Kidney disease symptoms may include the following: foamy urine, blood in the urine, dry, itchy skin, frequent urination, fatigue, low energy, swollen feet and ankles. Diabetes and high blood pressure are two major causes of renal damage. The little kidney filtering cells, or nephrons, are harmed by both of these. These filtering nephrons make up each of your kidneys, which each have roughly 500,000 of them. They function by eliminating waste and adding desperately needed substances back to the blood. Your chances of developing kidney disease, kidney stones, or renal failure will be significantly reduced if you adopt a lifestyle that prevents the onset of diabetes and high blood pressure. These health problems might also arise in ways that are beyond your control. Renal failure can be brought on by autoimmune illnesses, hereditary conditions, infections, toxins, and physical trauma to the kidney. Start by maintaining a healthy weight if you want to lower your chances of developing kidney issues and support optimal kidney health. The likelihood of getting diabetes and high blood pressure increases with obesity. Exercise is crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels, a strong heart, and low cholesterol. These are just a few additional strategies to lower your chance of having kidney issues. Quit smoking. Toxins released into the circulation by smoking harm the kidneys and other organs. Keep hydrated. One of the main factors contributing to kidney stones is dehydration. Steer clear of coffee and colas, which might dehydrate you and have excessive phosphorus levels. Steer clear of overly refined and processed foods. These substantially enhance the kidney's already taxing workload by including high levels of sodium, sugar, free radicals, and saturated and trans fats. They may also exacerbate high blood pressure, obesity, and heart disease. Don't forget to monitor your protein intake. Having too much protein can harm your kidneys as well. Consuming too much protein causes harmful ketones to overflow into the blood. The kidneys work overtime to eliminate these poisons, placing additional strain on these organs. When the kidneys flush these harmful ketones out, a lot of water is consumed in the process. Consuming excessive amounts of meat also results in high cholesterol and extra calories. Health of the kidneys and plant-based diet. A plant-based diet rich in natural foods, fruits, and vegetables is a fantastic way to keep your weight and kidneys in check. Following are a few advantages of a plant-based diet for your kidneys. Smaller, more manageable protein portions, wholesome fats that are crucial for heart and kidney health, fiber-rich carbohydrates that promote slow, steady absorption, significantly less sodium, antioxidants that help prevent damage, water for optimum hydration, and priceless vitamins and minerals. Red meat should be specifically avoided by people who already have kidney illness of some kind. Researchers discovered a connection between a high red meat intake and chronic kidney disease in the 4,881-participant Tehran lipid and glucose study. The results of the Tehran and lip glucose study corroborate those of the ERIC study, another investigation. According to the ERIC study, red and processed meat consumption is associated with a 23% increased risk of developing chronic kidney disease. In addition to avoiding red meat, kidney damage can also be caused by substances like sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. This is due to the kidney's diminished ability to completely control these electrolytes in the bloodstream. Red peppers, first, due to their low potassium content. These peppers can be difficult for people with kidney illness. Additionally, they are a good source of fiber, vitamin B6, folate, and vitamin C, an antioxidant. Vitamin C aids in the body's creation of energy, blood flow, and metabolism. B6 and folate both help to create red blood cells. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant found in red bell peppers, also protects kidney health and delays renal failure. 1. Broccoli, folate, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin K are all abundant in cabbage. The fiber in cabbage and other leafy greens reduces how quickly nutrients are absorbed. The liver and kidneys will have more time to process the inflow into the circulation as a result. Fiber aids in the removal of toxins from the digestive tract and prevents blood sugar spikes, one of the main causes of kidney injury. Healthy blood clotting relies on vitamin K. Additionally, cabbage has a lot of phytonutrients that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 3. Broccoli and cauliflower. These florets are a good source of folate and vitamin C. In addition to being high in fiber, cauliflower contains many anti-inflammatory chemicals. When your kidneys are healthy or just sluggish, cruciferous veggies are incredibly beneficial to your health. If you have gout or extremely troubled kidneys, you should stay away from them. Leafy greens, number 4. Greens are a great source of fiber, vitamin K, vitamin C, folate, and many other phytonutrients that help to balance blood sugar, lower blood pressure, and fight inflammation. Think about including nutritious greens like turnip greens, mustard greens, and dandelion leaves in your diet. Particularly the dandelion promotes urine output, which cleanses the kidneys and lowers blood pressure. 5. Garlic. Allicin is a compound found in garlic, onions, shallots, chives, and leeks. An organic sulfur molecule known as allicin has potent anti-inflammatory qualities. Additionally, it prevents infections, lowers blood pressure, and has antioxidant potential. Asparagus. 6. The stalk of asparagus is a fantastic source of fiber, as they boost urine production and break down uric acid. The phytonutrients in asparagus reduce blood pressure and have a cleansing impact on the kidneys and bladder. It's a preventative measure. Asparagus is also high in potassium and phosphorus, so those who already have kidney illness should exercise caution while eating. Apples. Apples are a great source of dietary fiber. The kidneys aren't put under as much stress thanks to the amazing ability of the fiber in apples to bind and remove toxins from the digestive tract before the body can absorb them. Apples also lower cholesterol and inflammatory markers. Berries. 8. Berries are low-calorie treats that are also rich in phytonutrients and powerful antioxidants that protect kidney cells and nephrons from deterioration. They include vitamin C, fiber, folate, and manganese and lessen inflammation. Some foods, like cranberry, are well known for their ability to soothe the urinary tract and guard against infections. All berries, including cherries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, support kidney health. Additionally, raspberries contain ellagic acid, an antioxidant that has been demonstrated to guard against several malignancies and kidney problems. Olive oil. 9. Olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocado contain beneficial essential fatty acids that help to manage cholesterol, fight against inflammation, and lessen the discomfort of kidney stones. Try sacha and chai or moringa oil as other healthful fatty acid-containing oils. Olive oil is a fantastic source of good fats and is phosphorus-free. Oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat, comprises the majority of the fat in olive oil. It is well known that oleic acid has strong anti-inflammatory effects. 10. Melon. Melons offer a mild source of hydration that is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. They aid in bladder, blood, and kidney cleansing. Water and lycopene are both abundant in watermelons. Red lycopene, a naturally occurring color, can be found in various plant tissues. It not only imparts red color to foods like tomatoes and watermelons, but also functions as a potent antioxidant. Ginger 11. For hundreds of years, this spice has been utilized as a digestive aid. It has been demonstrated that ginger can shield the kidneys from harm brought on by dehydration, alcoholism, and diabetes. Thyme and ginger may work together to increase defense. Thyme has been shown to decrease cholesterol and blood pressure. As high blood pressure can have a substantial impact on the organs, the kidneys will benefit from this. 12. Curcumin. Due to its potassium concentration, turmeric, which is related to ginger and can also protect the kidneys from harm, is not advised for people who currently have kidney disease. To maximize the flavor of this spice, combine it with black pepper. Piperine is the name of the active component in black pepper. A potent mixture is produced when piperine and curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, are combined. Both substances can aid in digestion and have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Thanks for watching. Please, if you liked the video, subscribe for more videos like these.